If you're experiencing high ping while playing The Sims 4, it can disrupt your gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you enhance your connection and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use the speed test tool to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider upgrading your internet plan or contacting your service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection if possible. Wired connections tend to be more stable and have lower latency compared to Wi-Fi, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching The Sims 4, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online applications that could affect your connection. Step 4. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings in The Sims 4 to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag, especially if your computer is struggling to keep up with higher settings. Step 5. Optimize router settings. Access your router's settings and prioritize gaming traffic if your router supports quality of service QoS settings. Additionally, ensure your router's firmware is up to date to improve performance and security. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with reduced ping. Enjoy your time in The Sims 4.